Hey everybody, I'm Ramiro. I need to prepare a birthday present for my friend, Sea Turtle. A seashell necklace will make a perfect present. Will you help me find and count seashells for the necklace? Great. Say, how many seashells can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's not enough to make a necklace. See any more seashells? Right! There are 6 in the sand. How many shells have we got now? Well, let's see. We started with 5 and added 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 6 more makes 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 seashells in all. Let's go have a peek under that stone. Great! There are 4 seashells here. Let's add them all together. 11 plus 4 more makes how many seashells? 12, 13, 14, 15. So we found 15 seashells so far. Good work. There are 5 more seashells near those seaweed strips. Now that we found 5 more, how many seashells have we got in all? 15 plus 5 more makes 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 seashells in all. That's enough to make a beautiful necklace. Thanks for helping me find and count the seashells. Bye-bye.
Children, now let's redo this exercise together. How much 11 plus 8? You can draw a circle at here, 11 circle, and at here, 8 circle, so that you can count how much in the total. So 11 plus 8 equals to 9 or 19. The answer must be bigger than the number here. 9 is smaller than here, so it won't be the answer. 19 is bigger than 11 and 8. So 11 and 8, 11 plus 8 equals to 19. Children, how about this one? 1 plus 16 equals to how much? You can try like I tell you just now. You can draw 1 circle here and 16 circle here, and you can count all of it to make a whole, or you must see at the answer here. The number at the answer here must be bigger from the number here and here. Which is more bigger, 14 or 17? Yes, 17. So 1 plus 16 equals to 17. How about this one, children? 3 plus 6 equals to 7 or 9. Remember, the answer must be bigger than the number in here. Yes, 9. 3 plus 6 equals to 9. How about this? 18 plus 2 equals to how much, children? Let's see this answer. 12. Is it bigger than 18? No, it's smaller, so it is not the answer. How about 20? Is it bigger than 18? Yes. Is it bigger than 2? Yes. So the answer is 18 plus 2 equals to 20.